How to get back archive stories on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, log into your account, then click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply you'll find archived option. Click on it and select the story you want to share. Simply click on it and then click on three dots on bottom right. After you clicked on it, you'll find share option, which is the third option. Simply click on share. After you've clicked on share, you can add new songs, edits, captions, stickers, filters, and many more. This is how to get back archive stories on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.